Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Production Planning Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like you seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day to day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you identify your fastest vendors and production lines to optimize the production planning process. For example, when you select product 1, for raw material P1R1, you can see partner C seems to be the fastest vendor and the production line 1-3 is the fastest. Like this, you can augment your decision-making process for all your upcoming production orders.